Right, so let me give you a little bit of an introduction about the featured company for today. So we are here at Dake Baby Carrier Company Limited. Now the company was actually established in 2013 and they specialize on ride-on cars, and they have actually design offices in Shanghai, Taizhou and Huangyan. So this factory is actually 28,000 square meters. So we have a lot of ground to cover. And they have several production lines. They have 130 employees. They have several production lines actually, which we're gonna be checking out later on. I'm really excited when it starts from the beginning, where it's like just in parts, and at the end, it's gonna be the finished product. So stay tuned for that. I have here a couple of certificates that I want to share with you guys, just to prove that Dake actually complies with all these different standards. So I have here, of course, the BSCI certification. This is more for the welfare of their employees in the factory. Now, also they have, of course, their EN71 or STM F963 certifications as well, or test reports that ensures that all the products that that they have here actually comply with the American and the European standards. Right, and now we are in one of their workshops, and of course I am here at the assembly line of Dake. Now, the assembly line of course starts from the inception of the product, right? It starts where all these small parts come together, the body of the vehicle. And over there, if you go over there, our friend over there is actually installing some of the gears, and our friend over here is screwing some more stuff here. Oh, it's actually the LED lights. It's actually installing the LED lights. And some stickers, of course, that will show that these have passed the QC part. Because along the assembly line, there are actually quality inspectors as well as they go through. Because on top of this assembly line, they actually have all these guides, all right? All these guides, or should I say a template that they follow on every stage of this assembly line. So he's screwing some more stuff there, like the bumpers, all right? So now it's starting to come to life. It's showing that it has all these different parts. So it's gonna be packed with this nice plastic, pretty durable actually. And they put it inside the box. Okay, once everything's boxed, they place it here. There you go. And this special wire, there you go. And now it is ready for storage over there. There you go. So actually what they do is they drop test the product in the package. There's a certain height that they actually follow. It's one of the quality inspectors, and he drops it cornered on the side. There you go. And then after doing this, they actually will open the product and they will check the product. Did it survive the impact? Did it survive that drop test? So he's gonna open this again. So this, what they do is actually random check. They check randomly in the warehouse and they open it and everything looks intact. As you can see, everything's well padded.